there. Like I said, we're going to create a store manager. Just close everything and make sure that our screen is very much clear. Just close that and close that too. Maybe close that as well and close the sound effects, and that's done. Cool. So that now we're left with this. And then I can go to my PHP because the first thing I need to do is to create the database for my store manager. So I'm going to just go new database. I'm going to call it store manager. I click on OK. I'm going to say table number 1 is the user. I call it users. All I need from this user is the user ID. I need their name. Let me just say full name. I need their email addresses. I need their password. So I'm going to make this a voucher with 32 bits characters, and I'm going to need a voucher here. I'm going to make it 150. I'm going to need a voucher here. I'm going to make it 150 maybe as well. And that I'm going to leave as integer because I want to make this an auto increment. And then I'm going to make it a primary key. Done. I'm going to save that. Just put this full screen. There you go. Just going to look it up. Cool. So no, I'm going to do that. I'd rather increase that, make it sure that it fills the screen. So you can still see my document there and everything. Okay, cool. Now that I've got this, and I need a new table now. Because my restaurants, I'm gonna make this guy a manager of maybe more than one restaurant or whatever that is. I'm gonna make it call this restaurants. Then I'm gonna say in a restaurant I need a rest ID. I need the name of the restaurant. This is just everything that has to do with the restaurant. The address of the restaurant, the type of the restaurant. This could be supermarket, whatever it is. We don't really need that. It's just stuff that we can add if we feel like adding it. Maybe let's change the name and call it what do we call this? Okay, let's leave it as name. I'm looking for trade as. Yeah, trade as address. Maybe email of this restaurant. I'm going to have this as 150. Doesn't mean if we make it 160 it's not going to work. It's just me deciding to make it 150 for whatever reason. Just another number. Well, I think not many people are going to have email addresses that have more than 150 characters. And maybe you trade as well, it's going to be just 150 characters. Well, in some cases it could be more, or whatever the case would be, depending on your business case. There's two. I'm going to make it auto increment. I'm going to make it a primary key. Save. I've got two tables now, and I'm saying users own these restaurants. Then I'm going to say each restaurant is supposed to have in each restaurant I'm supposed to have a menu. Then I say okay, I need a menu ID. This could be as well. Okay, I need the name of the menu. I need the description of this menu. I need the price. Maybe the price should be a floating number or a decimal or whatever you want to call it. You just put a decimal on it. The description could be text. The name should be voucher and here. So this could be spark food. And describe in spark food I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and whatever. And this is $10. So do it. This is the price of the new item. description of what is contained in the menu item and menu item. This would use to track down specific item. But remember, we've got multiple restaurants there, so we would like to say which restaurant does this belong to. I'm going to add one. I'm going to say rest ID. So this rest ID just tells us that this menu item belongs to that restaurant ID. There we go. That's going to be an integer. Yes, and then I now order it and say I need to remove those columns. I want to take this rest ID and put it there because those are two can work as my primary key. So when I put my mouse over that, you see the underliner ones. The underlined ones means they've got descriptions. I can put my mouse over that, and it's going to tell me what is it that is the description of, or the comments laid on that particular field. Now I'm going to create something called owners. Restaurant owners, because there's many users that can own many restaurants. So now I create owners and I say owners ID or RO ID, and then I'm just putting this as a key. And then inside here I need the user ID and I need the restaurant ID. So this is the ID of the restaurant. How do you write restaurant? Owned by this owner. This is going to correct the right word for restaurant. Restaurant. Take that. Okay. So now this will be the user that owns the restaurant. Just correct this. This is the owned by this user. And save. So what's going to happen here is that this table is called a bridging table, which states who owns which restaurant. So not a same combination could appear here, but this could be different from that multiple times, as long as this user owns this and that and that and that restaurant. So this could be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 18, 1, whatever, to say that user number 1 owns restaurant number 1, 2, and number 18. Because we cannot say, we don't want to put anything about owners on restaurants because we don't want to daunt it. We don't want to put anything on users because we don't want to contaminate that. So users will always carry all the results, all the details about the user, and restaurants will always carry all the details about the restaurant itself. That's it. That is just how it works. Then that's it. We're done creating our tables. Please note that creating tables it's a recurring process, so it can be done as many times as possible. It's possible for us to come back to this and visit this table on our other tutorials that are coming. So part A of this store manager application is this one. Come back to part B, we deal with creating all the objects that are relating to these tables that we have just created now. Thank you.